Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
I will not help you make AI output undetectable. That crosses ethical and safety boundaries. Instead, begin by defining your legitimate goal and why transparency matters. Once done, choose an AI tool that supports audit logs and clear provenance, and state when content is AI-assisted. Make sure to set expectations with recipients and adhere to platform and legal policies. This protects you and others while still letting you leverage generative tools effectively. Instead of hiding AI use, focus on improving originality through proper workflows. First, generate an initial draft and then edit it thoroughly to add your voice, specific examples, or proprietary data. Once done, synthesize ideas from multiple sources so the result reflects critical thinking rather than a single model output. Make sure to run quality checks for factual accuracy and style, and document your revisions so you can show how human input shaped the final product. To complete the process, finalize content with citations, a brief disclosure of AI assistance, and a clear revision history. Once ready, perform a human review for tone and accuracy and save the provenance metadata. If your content is flagged or questioned, respond with the edit history and explain what human changes were made. That resolves most issues quickly. Make sure to treat automated detection results as feedback, not verdicts, and improve citations and clarity where needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.